Steve Jobs has said, and I quote, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." Imagine this. You have the power to create blockbuster level videos, stunning visuals, and breathtaking stories with just a click. Google just unveiled Veo 2, an AI video generation model so advanced it might just redefine creativity as we know it. Are you ready to dive into the future? Because this is big, really big. Ginny Romte has said that what AI does is amplify human potential. Veo 2 isn't just another technology. It's a leap forward, a testament to what happens when innovation meets imagination. Developed by Google's DeepMind team, this groundbreaking AI isn't just about generating video. It's about rethinking storytelling entirely. Imagine creating a cinematic masterpiece without a camera, crew, or even a script. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around and you will see how this innovation is rewriting the rule. The big question is, why does this all matter? Let's talk about the challenges creators face. Number 1, high cost. Traditional filmmaking demands massive budgets, equipment, and manpower. Number 2, technical barriers. Not everyone can master editing software or complex tools. And number 3, time constraint. Crafting quality content takes weeks and sometimes months. These roadblocks limit creativity, but this was until now. The solution: Veo 2 demolishes these barriers with cutting-edge technology, leveraging deep learning and generative AI. This model allows anyone from seasoned filmmakers to casual creators to produce professional quality videos effortlessly. And the question is how? Well, through natural language prompts, simply you can type what you envision and Veo 2 brings it to life. It's that simple. Zig Ziglar has said, and I quote, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." With Veo 2, your starting point has never been so easier. Now the question is, how does Veo 2 work? Here's where the magic happens. Veo 2 utilizes Google's advanced generative AI techniques, integrating 3 things. Number 1, contextual understanding. It doesn't just process your input, it understands the nuances behind it. Number 2, visual mastery. From landscapes to close-ups, Veo 2 replicates real-world textures, lighting, and motion. And number 3, seamless editing. No need for post-production. Everything is polished and ready to go. Imagine typing this prompt and you have a video so vivid you would swear it was real. That's the power of Veo 2. Now another question is why this matters to you. Now you might be thinking, how does this impact me? Let's break it down. For content creators, your workflow becomes faster, cheaper, and more dynamic. Focus on your vision and not logistics. For businesses, marketing campaigns now feature custom videos tailored for every audience segment. And for dreamers, always wanted to tell a story, now you can. No experience needed. So Peter Drucker has said the best way to predict the future is to create it. And with Veo 2, the future of content creation is in your hands now. Now another question is why Veo 2 stands. You have probably heard of tools like Runway ML or Adobe Firefly. In fact, I have covered these tools in my channel, Best Softwares in itself. You can actually go ahead and see all the videos which I have related to AI softwares and platforms on this channel. But how is Veo 2 different from Runway ML or Adobe Firefly? Here's where Veo 2 is the show. Number 1, precision. While other tools struggle with consistency, Veo 2 nails it every single time. Number 2, scalability. Whether you are creating a 10-second clip or a feature-length narrative, Veo 2 effortlessly. And number 3, integrate. Designed to work seamlessly with other Google tools like Drive and Workspace. Collaboration has never been easy. And as Chris Grosser says, opportunities don't happen, you create them. So here is an opportunity for you. Now, apart from the innovation part, let's address few concerns also. Because as Christian Laus Lange has said, technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Critics have raised valid questions. Number 1, ethical usage. Could this technology be misused for deals? Number 2, job impact. Will this replace traditional roles in filmmaking? And number 3, data privacy. How secure is your input data? Well, Google's response on this is transparent policies, robust safeguards, and a commitment to responsible AI development. Let's have a glimpse into the future. Fast forward 5 years, with tools like Veo 2, we are not just consuming content, we are co-creating it. Imagine interactive movies where viewers shape the narrative in real time. Imagine students from history and from medical, from archaeologists, they all learning AI-generated prompts. The possibilities are endless. And as Eleanor Roosevelt has said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So with that, I would want to say, as we wrap up, remember, this Veo 2 isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. It's a reminder that technology, when used wisely, can amplify human creativity. So what story will tell you with Veo 2? The stage is yours. Please comment below and let me know. Hit the like button if this video opened your eyes to the future. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon because we are just getting started on this journey into the world of groundbreaking AI. And as Albert Einstein has said, in the middle of difficulty lies the bottom. Veo 2 is that opportunity, and the question to you, my friend, is, will you seize it?